What? What can you see? Oh, presents. Goodness me.
What is this present?
That says to Nairi from Diego. That must be my present.
Merry Christmas, Mummy.
Thanks, sorry. Just pop it down the floor, darling.
Yeah.
We'll do your ones next first, okay? Can you see?
Oh, you're on the list.
I'm on the list.
Yeah, see?
Is that the good list?
Yeah.
Yay! I'm so pleased. What else can you see under there?
Other present. Timmy, that's my present.
Who's that one from?
From me.
It's for you.
Yeah.
Is that your present from Santa?
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
It's full of presents.
That's just like in your storybook, isn't it?
Yeah. Must be giraffe.
Yeah.
I want to like that.
You want to open it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Must be parcel, Mama.
Yeah.
Must be a tin parcel. Must be real parcel, Mama. Oh, that's display.
There you go.
Oh, thank you. Is there a giraffe in there?
I don't know. You'll have to open it and find out. Good girl. What's that?
My box.
A box. Cool.
It's my star box.
Oh, cool.
I have no giraffe in there.
Are you sure?
No.
What do you think's in there then? It's a reindeer. But it's so funny. What's that? What's that on there? It's Santa and a reindeer.
Giraffes!
Oh my goodness. You got two of them.
This one is a baby one.
I think the baby one's up by the TV. That might be Mummy and Daddy Giraffe.
Yeah. Mama.
Want to bring baby over here so we can see them all together?
No.
No.
Yes, I do, Mama.
Okay.
I just put them in that box
Okay.
and take them a photo.
Okay. Cool. Do you like them? Yeah.
No, you do.
That one's looking at you.
Here. That one is a mummy giraffe.
Okay.
And that one is a dumb daddy giraffe.
Mhm.
Bye-bye, Mommy.
Bye bye. Bye bye, giraffe. That's a fancy new toothbrush and some new toothpaste.
It is.
It's even a Barbie toothbrush.
Yeah. I, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, B, C, D, E, X, Y, I, B, C, D, E, X, Y, I, B, C, D, E, X, Y, I, B, C, D, E. I will
I don't know, you'll have to open it. To reach inside and pull it out. Play money.
What's inside in there?
I think it's all finished. Oh, is there something else in there?
Yeah.
Oh, maybe it's more letters and numbers.
No, it's not. Oh, there's my letters. Ta-da!
Oh, letter K. Kangaroo.
Yeah. Ta-da!
O for octopus.
Yay! Oh, it's an octopus. Oh!
M for mummy.
Yay! And to my mummy! Is that in there?
I don't know. L for lion.
Yeah. Is that in there? There's no more.
I think there's something in there. F for fireworks.
Yeah. It is. It is, Mama. What's that in there?
I don't know.
That.
Oh, N for Nairi.
Yeah, there's two, Mama.
Yeah.
The two names here.
Yes, my two names, Mummy and Nairi.
Yeah, it is Mommy and Nairi. You are my Nairi, Mommy.
Yeah, I'm your
What's
Nairi
inside
mummy.
in there?
Is it all gone or is it there one more?
Ah.
Oh, D for Daddy.
Yay!
Have fun with those letters, aren't we?
What's inside of me?
I don't know. Is there something else?
No, it's nothing.
Nope, all finished. You get your other goodie bag when we go to Nana Pip's and Auntie Claire's place, okay? Auntie Claire's place.
I can't find it. Auntie Aria!
Yes, yes. Ah,
Aria?
yeah, it's the second letter in your name.
Oh, there's an I to Aria.
That's right, good girl. Okay, Munchkin, do you want to have a look at Diego's present for you?
Yeah. Wherever I go.
It's in the spotty bag. Yes, that's right.
I see my name.
Yes,
Look, see?
that's right.
Yay!
Aha. Do you need some help with that? Okay.
We don't take on there.
Okay.
This is ABCDEFT.
Yes, letters.
A. C.
It's A and T for Aria Tanya.
Yeah. C.
Oh, there we go.
We want to open this.
Let's have a look, see what it is.
Okay.
Goodness me. That looks
Must be
interesting.
lollipop ones.
I think it might be Lollipops one.
Yes, it is.
I think it's like Play-Doh lollipops.
Yeah.
Fun. We'll have to have a look at that, won't we?
Look, we open it, please.
Yes, okay. Say bye-bye to the camera.
Bye-bye.
Good girl.